Math 6A, Unit 3 test, and number 3. Plot the points and connect them in order they are listed. I'm going to read that again. Plot the points and connect them in the order they are listed. And you guys were kind of lost. You were like, why did they mention 7, 7 twice? Well, they mentioned it twice because they wanted you to connect them. So I'm going to go ahead and start with 7, 7 here and go to the right 7 from the origin and go up 7 and plot my point right there. Okay. And then the next one is 1, 7. 1, 7 is to the right and up to the right 1 and up 7. So this first dot that we made and the second dot should be connected, just like that. Okay. And then the next one's 1, 1. So from the origin, I'm going to go to the right 1 and up 1 and connecting the dots there. And 7, 1, I'm going to go to the right 7 and then up 1 and connect it with 1, 1. And then the last one is 7, 7, which should have closed my shape into a square. Okay, let me make that a little straighter. Done. Okay, so it should be a square. And then it asks you questions about that shape. What is the perimeter of the shape formed on the graph? And what would be the shape? The square. So they didn't want to mention that it's a square in case you just kind of randomly drew it. Perimeter, we just need to add up the sides. So we needed to count. Now, I saw that some people put 7 by 7. No, we need to count the units in the squares, in the squares between the dots. So if I were to count the units, this would be from this point right here, it would be 1, oops, it's connecting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units long. This should have been 6 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remember, it's the toothpicks on the outside that counts the perimeter. So that's 6 on the outside, top and right. And then obviously the bottom's going to be 6 and the left side is also going to be 6. So making this, I have 4 sets of 6, which gives you 24. 24 square units. Sorry, 24 units for perimeter. What's the area of the shape? What's the area of the shape formed on the graph? So this one is where we get to take the area of base times height, and the base is 6 and the height is 6, and 6 times 6 gives you 36 square units. I actually wrote out the units. Okay. All right. And that should have answered the 2 questions. Hopefully you were able to get it right, but some people did make some mistakes. So make sure that you correct your mistakes, figure out what you did wrong, figure out what you learned, and answer this question. One thing, or is complete the sentence of one thing I learned from the video is, and you will get the credit that you deserve returned to you as soon as this is filled out. If it is not, you will not get the credit even if this part is correct. So please make sure you fill it out. Thanks.